In this guide, I'll show you how to connect your PS5 controller to your iPhone or iPad. So the first thing you want to do is open up settings on your device, and you should be able to see Bluetooth near the top. So tap on Bluetooth, and from here you want to toggle it on. And once it's turned on, you'll see Bluetooth devices that you've had connected previously, as well as other devices. So at this point, you want to grab your PS5 controller and press and hold the PlayStation button and the share button at the same time, until the lights on the front of the controller start flashing blue, indicating the controller's in pairing mode. So at this point, you want to look at other devices, and you should see DualSense wireless controller. So when you tap on that, your PS5 controller will connect to your device. And if you take a look on the PS5 controller, the lights have turned orange, indicating it's now connected. So go ahead and boot up the game you want to play on your mobile device, and if you're experiencing any issues, make sure the game's compatible, as well as you can always disconnect your controller and reconnect it. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.